9 and 10. Dear friends, my today's initiative will be to take the class on scientist connectors. So dear friends, let's get started. Welcome you. That's my identity. I'm a teacher in English, Gaibandha High School. Class 9 and 10. Subject English side paper. Lesson scientist connectors. Scientist connectors. Practice part 2. So, dear friends, here's another passage for practicing in the gap activity with scientist connectors. Higher education is needed in your national life. A. Now a question has arisen. B. Dash it is a luxury. Dash higher education is not a luxury. The poorer section of people now think it will be so expensive. D. They cannot afford the educational expenses of their children. For the greater interest of the nation, the government should help the major students. E. They can be highly educated. Dear friends, try to think of the passage and try to discover the meaning and context of the passage and try to fill in the gap with the correct sentence connectors. Your time is 2 minutes. Dear friends, think of the passage again and again and try to fill in the gaps with the correct form of sentence connectors. Dear friends, I am taking for granted that you have finished solving the problem. Now, match your answers with mine. The first sentence connector is but. Higher education is needed in your national life, but now a question has arisen. What the average luxury? Though higher education is not a luxury, the poorer section of people now think it will be so expensive that they can't afford the educational expenses of their children. For the greater interest of the nation, the government should help the major students so that they can be highly educated. Dear friends, perhaps you have been able to correct all the sentence connectors. So, match your answers with mine, and if there is any query, you can try to solve those through practicing a lot. And when the school will reopen, we can discuss this problem in the classroom. So, dear friends, let's discuss another passage. The passage is on dowry system in our country. Dowry is a social curse. The system prevails in our society. A. There is no written statement about this system. B. It is available in our society. C. It is a tradition that exposes our narrow mentality. D. It is an inhuman torture for both the brides and their guardians. Dash. E. The bride's guardians have to suffer allowed to meet up the demands of the bridegroom. F. The brides are to undergo mental and even physical torture in the law's houses for being unable to pay the dowry. G. This social curse must be removed as laws against dowry should be enforced strictly. I. Female education should be ensured and more employment opportunities have to be created. J. Public awareness should be increased. So, dear friends, try to think of the passage again and again and solve the gap activity with sentence connectors. So, I'm taking for granted that you have finished solving the problems using correct sentence connectors. So, match your answers with mine that I'm going will show you on the slide. This system prevails in our society. However, there is no written statement about the system. Still, yet it is available in our society. Still, yet it is available in our society. See, in fact, it is a tradition that exposes our narrow mentality. Moreover, it is an inhuman torture for both the friars and the cardinals, because the friars and cardinals have to suffer a lot to meet up the demand of the bridegroom. Besides, the brides are to undergo mental and even physical torture in their laws' houses for being unable to pay the dowry. So, the social curse must be removed. At the same time, laws against dowry should be enforced strictly. Moreover, female education should be ensured and more employment opportunities have to be created. Above all, public awareness should be increased. Dear friends, I hope you all have been able to correct all the gap activity. So, thank you for attending the class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, dear friends.